Cinnamon Swirl Quick Bread, a nice addition to breakfast or any time during the day. So let's get started on Darlene's table. All right, we're going to start by mixing the dry ingredients, which is 2 cups of flour and 1 cup of sugar. Reserve the other half, and I mixed 3 teaspoons of cinnamon with that. That's going to be your filling and your topping. So I've already done that. So I'm mixing the dry ingredients. I put the baking soda and the salt. I'm going to set it aside, and I've got my 1 cup of buttermilk. I'm putting in the canola oil, 1 egg, and some vanilla bean paste. By now you can see I really like the vanilla bean paste. So mix this well. All right, now I'm going to combine the liquid with the dry ingredients. My loaf pan has already been greased. I'm going to put half of the dough in here and spread it around evenly. Then on top of this, I'm going to put half of the cinnamon sugar I mixed, which was a half a cup of sugar and 3 teaspoons of cinnamon mixed well, in between the 2 layers of batter. Now on top with the rest of the batter, spread it around as best you can. It's sticky and it's thick, as you can see. And on top of this, we'll put the rest of the cinnamon sugar mixture. I mean, this is called Cinnamon Swirl Bread. All right, we're going to use all the cinnamon sugar. With just a butter knife, I'm going to give it a swirl. Really easy. All right, now into the oven at 350 degrees for 45 to 50 minutes. We're going to take it out. I'm going to check it with a toothpick first to make sure that there's no batter on the toothpick. It's ready. So I'm going to let this cool for 10 minutes on the cooling rack. Go around the edges to make sure none sticks. It's been 10 minutes, and then I'm just going to turn it out and let it completely cool before I put the topping on it. All right, it's cooled for about an hour, so now I'm going to mix up the glaze, and it's nothing but confectioner's sugar, vanilla, and just enough milk to reach the consistency you want, which doesn't take much. About 1.5 to 2 teaspoons of milk. Now I'm putting it into just a regular old plastic bag, a quart bag here, with some help, of course, from my husband. Now I'll squeeze that all the way down to the corner, and then I'll cut the tip off with a pair of scissors. Oh, here we go. Then I'm going to let this sit for a little while. It will harden up. I'm not the best at this, but it will be good. Lots of cinnamon, a very moist bread. Very moist, and I love a lot of cinnamon. So I'm using a bread knife or a serrated knife to cut the bread. See that swirl in there? And it's so moist. It's a very good bread and quick and easy. When you get the urge to bake something sweet for coffee time or brunch with your friends, this Cinnamon Swirl Quick Bread is moist and soft, and a thick ribbon of cinnamon sugar swirled throughout the center of the bread. It's so good, and it's really easy. Not a lot of ingredients, and no mixer is required to make this bread. This cake-like bread will remind you of cinnamon rolls, but it takes a fraction of the time to make. So I hope you will give it a try. Well, that's all for this video, but we have more videos on the way. If you like this video, please give me a like and consider subscribing. As always, thanks for watching, and we will see you again soon on Darlene's Table.